Hi friends, welcome to Just Home Samyal. Today we will be seeing Soya Chunks Biryani. We call it as meal maker also. This soya chunks is very high in protein. Let's see how to do it. Heat water in a saucepan. Once it is here, the water is hot, add in soya chunks and bring it to one boil. Once it starts boiling, switch off the stove and close it and keep it aside. And in a biryani pan, I'm going to make biryani in this vessel today. So I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use it to your taste, but I use ghee and oil for biryanis. Okay, once this oil and ghee gets heated, add in fennel seeds, little bit of fennel seeds, and all biryani masalas like cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, brinjal leaf, everything. Then add onion to it, chopped onion. I have used 2 medium onions here today for 1.5 cups of rice. You can use according to your taste, but it's better to use a good amount of onion for biryanis always. And add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it along with onion. By the time this gets cooked, we have this soya chunks in water, drain it and squeeze it, take out all the water and add into this onion and ginger garlic masala. Now this is drained and squeezed meal maker soya chunks. Add it to this onion and ginger garlic paste. Fry a bit. Now we can add vegetables. I have kept little paneer, capsicum, mint leaves, pudina, mint leaves, and 1 small tomato is enough. That's it. You can use vegetables according to your taste. I'm using only paneer and capsicum along with the soya chunks. Add in spices now. Turmeric powder, 1/2 tablespoon, just to get color. And I'm using homemade chilli powder. This would be around 3 tablespoons. I'm using it here. Add little garam masala and salt to your taste. We are not using any biryani store-bought masalas and all, just chilli powder, turmeric powder, salt and garam masala. Add little curd to this. I have added a 1/4 cup of curd. Mix all these masalas and onions, vegetables together and allow it to boil for 2 minutes. Once it comes to a single boil, add in enough water. I am using 1.5 cup rice. For that I'm using 2 1/4. For 1 cup of rice I'm using 1.5 cup of water. This is the ratio I use it for biryanis. This is biryani rice, so 1:1.5 is the thing. Close it and allow it to boil. See, okay, now we have got a full boil for this masalas, everything together. This is the time we have to add in rice. I have soaked rice for 20 minutes and drained the water. So add in the rice. This is 1.5 cup of rice and 2 1/4 of water, as I said earlier. Just mix it, cover it and cook it for another 3-4 minutes. So now you can see the water is reduced and it has mixed along with the rice, and you can see very little amount of water. In this time, add in color. This is optional. If you need it, you can add in this orange color and coriander leaves. That's it. Just cover it, and this is the time we have to make we have to put dum. So I have kept a iron a old pan in the other stove. keep this biryani masala vessel into that and keep it for in slow flame for 15 minutes, and your biryani will be ready. After 15 minutes, see how the rice is cooked. It's evenly cooked and it is very well cooked. The same way it is, the rices are it's not very mashed also. Add in little lemon juice, close it. That's it. Our meal maker soya chunks biryani is ready. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Just Home Samyal. Thank you.